The Caipirinha, Brazil's national drink. An easy, simple, fun summer drink. There are a couple ways of making this. There's the Brazilian way, which I will show first because you need to know how to do this. And then there's the bartender way of making it quickly in volume, which you should probably also need to know. The key to this is cutting the lime. You want to get out this thing, which is woody and bitter and makes it hard to muddle. And once you've got it out, you can simply cut it down, maybe put 2 cuts in it that way, 2 cuts in it that way. And if you want, you can just throw it like this in the glass. It won't fill up the glass so much, but it's very quick and it's an easy way of transporting the pieces. But for the real classic Caipirinha look, you want the pieces. So I'm going to finish cutting it. And I'm going to put it in my glass. Right here. I'm going to put in 1½ bar spoons of sugar. The Brazilians like to use white sugar. You can also use a demerara sugar here. That's also very delightful. But you're going to have to muddle demerara a lot more. Because you've got these nice little pieces in here, this will muddle very nicely. It'll muddle easily and quickly into a paste. You don't have to worry about dissolving every single grain of sugar. Just get most of them. There we go. Now, ice. And finally, 2 ounces of Brazilian cachaça, which is rum, basically, but its own Brazilian kind. Now, I see a lot of people, when using jiggers, spending hours, it seems like, while I'm waiting for my drink, looking to find the little thing that's printed on here that tells you how much it is, but you practically need CSI to find it. It's so small. The best way to use jiggers is to memorize them. Put them in front of you, study the sizes, notice how big they are next to each other, remember what your options are, and then reach for the one that you have memorized. If you're going to figure it out on the spot, you're always going to be in trouble. So I'm putting in 2 ounces of cachaça here. And then I am going to give it a stir. Not a huge stir, just to bring up the pieces of lime and the sugar. And that is the simple Brazilian style Caipirinha. There's really not much to it. However, that's made with sugar, etc. You can also make it the bartender style, American style. You're still going to need the half lime. You're going to still need to cut that into bits. Now, I'm going to make sure how much ice I've got in here by filling the glass first. All right, I can't get any more ice than that in here, so now I know that. So first thing I'm going to put in is the lime, 1 ounce of simple, actually 3/4 of an ounce. We don't want this to be too sweet. It's a hot weather refreshing drink. Muddle it quickly. In with the 2 ounces of cachaça. In with my ice. Serious shake. And I don't even need a strainer for this. This can go right back into the glass. And as I've made sure it fits, and that's done. 2 Caipirinhas.